scratchy.
Yes, lots and lots of scratchy.
Shiny. It's just scratches you can't see.
Okay. That's
Just
good.
saying.
Good to know.
Yeah. So I'm at 1,500 now on this hood. All of these have been gone to 2,500.
Okay.
So I'm getting this one caught up. I had to do a glamour shoot on this one this last weekend.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I did it last Monday. So, you guys ever wonder why we're closed on Monday? Because it's really the only day I can get caught up doing stuff. So, phones and all that other stuff.
Looks like a lot of beetles out here.
Yeah, we had a big influx of beetles,
Yeah.
and most of them are just in for like service work and
Interesting.
rust, a little bit of rust repair and getting things right and getting it back on the road for the summer.
Cool.
So,
Well, that actually is the perfect lead-in because I got a question for you.
Oh, I like questions.
So what's the best year VW Bug?
You get a lot of argument on that one.
I know.
It's all a personal opinion. I personally like the 69s.
Mm-hmm.
And not because it's a rude number. It's just because, for me, the capability and the engineering that went in all the previous years is everything's there.
Gotcha.
Some people like the first generation of Super Beetles, the 1302s, because of the way they handle.
Mm-hmm.
They steer and they drive fairly well. In fact, Super Beetles actually drive fairly well. I just don't like the looks of them. But there are a couple of Super Beetles out there that I actually do kind of like.
Well,
I
a
mean,
couple of them that we've made.
Yeah. Cherry Bomb was another one this September. 70. That was a 77. We did a wide body kit. So the client had basically brought us a set of Porsche 7s and 9s, turbo twist rims, and the car. And said, how about it?
Have fun.
So last I heard, that car has moved on.
Yeah.
And
then Mojo was 71.
71, that's a 1302, which from what I understand, it's a blasted drive. Never driven it. So, it's... A lot of guys are just bus guys. A lot of guys are, just... It's, I think, whatever the first one that you had, or the one that you got the most memories of, that's the best year.
No, that's a good answer.
I mean, who's your favorite child? It's like we all have a favorite child, but we're not going to say that. It's like I love all my kids a little bit differently.
Right. Yeah.
And it's like, between my wife and I, our two is like she's got a 59, I've got a 69. And vast technology difference in those 10 years. And it's like mine's almost really brutal to drive and steer and stuff like that, but I've got it set up more as a road racer instead of a cruiser. So
Oh, sure.
that's kind of hit the like, subscribe button, please. Hit the notify. Do it, brother. A solid for all you Futurama fans. When we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway of a dark side. So
Cool. We're almost at 500.
yeah, click us, link us. We're halfway there.
Yeah,
So-
getting there.
So-
All right, let's go see what else is going on in the shop.
Well, got your rock running
All
around.
right.
Bye, nice people.
All right. Who's that rattling around in here? Oh, it's Shannon under the bus. Did you get thrown under the bus?
Yeah, I got thrown under the bus. They want me to try to power it.
Oh.
I don't know if it's going to get very far.
All right, yeah, you gotta pedal faster. Squirrels.
I'm a squirrel and a half.
So what are you doing down there?
Working on getting ready to reinstall the motor in DDP.
Oh.
Try to get them back going. Already got the oil cooler and stuff back in it. Working on the gas tank now, and then here in a little while, be sliding the motor back in it. Get it all hooked back up, get it running.
Nice.
Yeah, we're getting close on it.
That's a good deal.
Yeah,
Very cool. All right.
always having fun.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yes.
Hello, fellas. What you doing in there?
I am getting some wiring done on this bus.
Ah.
We're doubling up. We got a lot going on.
All right. Yeah, man, this has come a long way. I love the curtains.
Yeah, we got, since, I don't know where we were last time, what all, but yeah, we got the curtains done. I got the front. We got this is the child spot.
Oh, yeah.
That we can't put in because Alex is in there right now, but it goes between the front windshield and the back
Right, yeah.
wheels and
Oh,
stretches
that's
out.
nice.
And it's a
That
little
looks so
hammock.
much better than what the old one
Yeah,
was.
so we did it in gray because we're going to tie the grays in with like a gray with the
Yeah.
curtains and everything. And then also I'm working on the floor for it. So we
Okay.
decided to go with the floor. It comes in, it was just a rubber mat, but we decided with all the oak
Yeah.
stuff we wanted to put some in. So we were going to do wood.
Uh-huh.
I mean, no, a wood.
Like
we're
a
going to do
laminate?
vinyl,
Yeah.
but
Oh,
we were
okay.
going to do wood color, but it's just too much wood. So we're going with a gray laminate.
Oh, nice.
Vinyl is actually vinyl, so it's waterproof and
Oh, that's good.
rot resistant and everything. So what we're going to do is put a subfloor down and then put this floating floor down in there. And it'll be gray, which will tie in all the grays that are in with the curtains and everything. And then we're going to have a table. We changed the table up a little bit. It had a fixed table that swung from here.
Yeah.
But because the cabinets are custom, that wouldn't work because the bed folds out to here.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So we would get another design. And this actually goes in the floor. Once the floor's down, that stays in the floor.
Okay.
And this is removable.
Oh,
So
neat.
you put it right there, and then the table top will sit right there, like so, and you'll have a table to sit here. And we're gonna make the tabletop a little bit bigger. We're doing another tabletop.
Okay. Yeah. I was gonna say
Maybe
it's-
two people could sit here.
that's
instead
good for
of
a
one.
cup of coffee, maybe.
Yeah. So we did that and adjusted and changed that up a little bit, and that'll go in after the floor's in.
That's so
And then the other thing, I don't know if you saw it since last week, but the bed finished in the back here where it lines up with the fold down seat.
Oh.
So I finished this cushion here. And
Oh,
it's removable.
wow.
So when the seat folds down now, it's a full
Oh,
length
yeah.
bed. So that's a 3-inch foam cushion there.
That's
so.
pretty awesome.
And then we did all the panels inside here, just a little adjustment. So there's panels in there. We padded this
Okay.
and everything. So yeah.
That's really
You
cool.
got curtains on the back too, so when you get it, it's full curtains. You
Yes.
can close yourself in there completely.
Oh, that's great. Because, if you're camping, sometimes it can be hard enough to sleep. You got
Yeah. And then I'm
sounds.
working on
and-
Robinson too. Little Robinson's bug. We're putting the headliner in here. So
Okay.
we got it halfway going on here, and he's got some soundproofing in here. We're gonna put he gets a whole new carpet kit and new seat covers and everything. So we got this guy going underway for interior.
That's cool.
Yeah.
All right.
So
How about anything new on Rusty?
Rusty is. There is, but it's really, as far as video wise, it's seen it. It's behind the scenes stuff.
Ah.
It really, a lot of measures of what's going on in here is, since we did it last time, we redid all the frames, obviously, and these top hats they're called, which are the floor supports go across. Then there's a rocker panel that goes here, and the next thing that we have to do, the reason we have to be careful and do it right, all the measuring and stuff, these are very important. These are the pillars where the doors and everything attach. And they're all getting new, but those have to land exactly right.
Yeah.
So we're putting in and measuring and moving things around. We had to order another top hat that we were missing
Okay.
in the original kit, so we got that finally in, so we're going to get back on him soon here. But we had to, anyways, there's a lot of, not just rough welding and getting in, there's a lot of measuring
Yeah.
and making sure science
Getting it
fits.
exact.
Because where these panels go, these are loose, and that whole thing attaches to these. So these have got to be right to where that can line up when we start replacing all this metal.
Sure.
So we got to get this part, and you see over there where it's all rusted out. Every one of those were rusted out where
Yeah.
the frame members are. So those all got to hit exactly where they're at. So there has been a lot of work going on it, even though it doesn't look like it's
Right.
changed since last time.
Well,
But we got to get all that math right so that the doors line up and the
Yeah.
sides line up. So we have done a bunch, and we're fixing to get back onto tacking those actual members in and getting that going on. I think that's going to start this week or beginning of next week.
very cool.
And then from there, once the structure that all is in the framework, then it should start going a lot faster from there. So then once we got that in, we know everything should just fall in place.
Build a foundation.
Yeah, well, I mean, there's a lot more to it. To the other thing that I didn't say is that in between all those floors, you see all those holes in the frame members. Everything that you can think of that runs this, like your speedometer cable, your brake cables, those all run into tubes that have to go through there in certain directions, different ways. So we have to make sure those line up. They're all new. Where they go, so it's a lot of math.
A lot of
A
exact.
lot of math I thought I
Yeah.
never used. And then this is the seat side, just so you can see the progression on the seat side.
yeah.
Robinson's bugs, so we take them down to the frames and either powder coat them or paint them, clean them up, powder coat them, paint them, and then they get recovered, repadded. So this one's kind of halfway through, so you can see the logistic of it. It gets new pads and stuff, and a whole new seat cover. It's basically a brand new seat by the time you get
That's
done with
nice.
there. So
That looks
all that.
beautiful.
Yeah. So,
Fantastic.
anyways,
All right.
what
man.
else?
You've been a little busy.
Well, I feel like I have been.
Let's go see what Stone is up to. What are you up to? Scaring the crap out of me.
And it's normal stuff.
There you go. So what you working on?
Working on putting Johnson's exhaust and gearboxes on. And then after that, replacing all the old fuel lines, all that stuff.
Okay. Wow. What year is this?
73. I believe. The Super. So
Very nice.
just finishing it up. Someone put a single port motor in it.
Oh,
It's not supposed to have a single port motor.
okay. People get creative.
You gotta do what you gotta do. So,
That's it. All right. Well, a little hot out here. How'd you get draw the short straw or something? To have to work
I guess
outside?
so. But it is what it is.
All right. At least you got a fan.
Yeah. At least one anyway.
There you go. There you go. All right. Say goodbye to the nice people.
Bye, nice people.